Hello all, today I will give a brief introduction about immunity. What is immunity? Immunity is the capacity of any multicellular organism to prevent the infection. That is, if this is our body, this is the antigen, that is any harmful microorganism from outside, from entering outside to the body. If we have an immune response and that we will produce an antibodies against that, so we will prevent that infection. That is called the immune response. Mainly, immunity is of two types. Innate immunity, that is by birth we are getting that, and adaptive immunity or acquired type of immunity. Innate immunity means it consists of some defense mechanism. It has some barriers that prevent the infection. That means, example is skin, that is a barrier which prevent the infection. Another example is tears. In eyes we have tears. In tears, two enzymes are present, lysozyme and amylase. These enzymes, what will do that? These enzymes will prevent the infection from entering the infection. It will prevent the infection. So that acts as a barrier. That is called innate type of immunity. By birth we are acquiring that. By birth we are getting this type of immune response. Next is adaptive type or the acquired type of immunity. That is, acquired type means we are acquiring that. We are acquiring that type of immunity. That is, this consists of specialized cells that prevent the growth of the pathogens. So this is of two types, active immunity and passive immunity. That is, adaptive immunity is of two types, active immunity and the passive immunity. This is non-specific. Innate is non-specific, adaptive is specific, and adaptive immunity is seen in the vertebrates. Active immunity means, example is measles. If we get measles, what happened? If we get measles, we have already that immune response to that. So another time we will not get that infection. We have already produced antibodies against that. So that is called active immunity. By immunization, by vaccination, we are acquiring that. Next is passive immunity. Passive immunity is of two types, natural passive immunity and artificial passive immunity. Natural passive immunity means from the mother to the fetus, some antibodies are passed. So that is natural immunity, natural passive immunity. Mother to child relationship, getting immune response, that is called natural passive immunity. Artificial immunity, that is artificial passive immunity means if we are injecting certain antibodies to the body, we are injecting that is called passive artificial immunity. So this is better because we are getting through natural. This is artificial immunity. Okay, so these are the different types of immunity, that is two types. Innate immunity, by birth we are acquiring that. Adaptive immunity or otherwise called acquired immunity. Innate immunity, these have certain defense mechanism. Example is skin and tears in the eyes because it consists of certain enzymes called amylase and lysozyme which prevent the infection. Adaptive or acquired immune type, there are two types, active and passive. Active means example measles type of immune response. Passive is of two types, natural passive and artificial passive. Natural passive means we are getting that is mother to child relationship, we are getting that type of immune response. Artificial means we are injecting the antibodies, that is passive artificial immunity. So how we can boost our immunity? Take proper rest, eat a balanced diet, maintain your stress level, etc. etc. So this is about the short introduction of immunity. Hope you all enjoyed well. Thank you.